Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Lottie exports in Bodymovin for web usage step by step clearly. Open Adobe After Effects and ensure your Lottie animation is ready for export. Install the Bodymovin extension if you haven't already done so. Go to Window in the menu bar and select Extensions, then click on Bodymovin. In the Bodymovin panel, click on the Composition dropdown to choose your Lottie animation. Set the destination folder where you want to save the Lottie file. Enable any relevant settings such as including hidden layers or glyphs if necessary. Click the Render button in the Bodymovin panel to export your animation. After rendering, locate the generated.json file in the specified folder. Open a web development environment or any text editor. Create an HTML file to incorporate your Lottie animation. In the HTML file, link to the Lottie web player by including the appropriate script tag in the head section. Create a div element in the body where the animation will be rendered. Initialize the Lottie animation using JavaScript by adding a script tag. Use the Lottie.loadAnimation method to specify the path to your .json file and target the div you created. Adjust settings such as loop, autoplay, and renderer type as needed. Save your HTML file and open it in a web browser to view your Lottie animation. If any issues arise, revisit the Bodymovin settings and ensure your animation complies with Lottie requirements. Test on different browsers to confirm consistent playback of the animation. Make any final adjustments to your animation or code as necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.